Here's the app which is called KIKA Keyboard for iPhone, iPad. One of the most popular keyboards to use in TikTok, in Snapchat, Instagram, and really stand out and use all the types of emojis. Use some interesting fonts, send some funny stickers, cow emojis. So it works with Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Roblox, WhatsApp, iMessage, any app you are using. App is super easy to use and also compatible with our social media profiles. Choose your favorite fonts from our fonts collection or add emojis. These amazing features will be an incredible addition. You can earn gems by viewing ads daily or participating in our mini games. So yeah, to use KIKA Keyboard, just open settings, general, keyboard, and add the keyboard. So here it is. You can allow notifications. Of course, you can subscribe, $19.99 monthly. Here you have daily gems. Good. So here are some of the interesting themes. Okay, I can get even more gems. So that's the idea. Then I can go here. So to install KIKA Keyboard, just go to settings, and then you just need to search for keyboard, and then add new keyboard, and then you just select KIKA Keyboard. There you have it. You added that one. And then I don't know if I want to go and type something, I can just tap and hold, and then here is KIKA Keyboard. So there are face emojis, translations, more color fonts, some features, some so many additional cool features, some themes. You need to edit them, so you need to add this custom theme, but then again you need to upgrade. So basically, yeah, you can really enjoy all of these fonts and have all of these themes. And yeah, if you know, like if you're on social media, on Snapchat, you're just typing a lot, like you really want to make sure that you enjoy your keyboard. And for a lot of teenagers, like the normal keyboard is just too boring, so you just want to have your personal character or some nice colors and stuff. So that's how you can customize and make theme keyboards. And yeah, you can upgrade all of that. 8,000 plus themes, 4,000 plus fonts. So that's what you can do. Cool fonts, emojis, that's what you can use. You can download them. Then there is your account. You can set it up. So yeah, you can see some pre-installed themes. That's what I'm using right now. But yeah, that's a quick overview. If you didn't know about this keyboard app, just try it out. There are so many keyboard apps these days, but this one seems to be pretty good. So definitely give it a try.